Come on, Storm. Come on, girl. Come on. Come on, baby girl. Come on, girl. I believe I have a miracle bird. I found her when she had gotten apparently blown out of her nest, and two of the little baby birds were already wet and cold and died, and then I found her way under the ivy in my yard and brought her in and made a little incubator for her. Several wildlife centers that I had emailed said that she was too young and she just would never survive. And she has survived. When I found her, it was a rough time for me. I was rather depressed because all my children were grown and gone, and I taught preschool and because of illness couldn't really do that anymore. She's brought me such joy to hear her sing. It just reminds me all the time about the miracles that still take place today, and little things like her, to me, just bring me great joy.